how to change address and payment method in Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency and payment method on the Shein app. So let's get started. Open up the app and then head over to the gear icon in the top right. So this will take you to your settings, and then you will be able to see address book. Tap on it, and then you can add shipping address from here. So you can choose among the country by tapping on the location. So choose your location, and then uh, once you have chosen your location, you'll need to put in your first name, last name, phone number, your city, your zip code, and address as well, and then hit save. Now to change your payment method, come back and then head over to my payment options, and from here you can add a card like a Visa card, your Union Pay, or American Express, or whatever that you use. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.